Have you ever noticed that when you drop a rock in water, it sinks, but ice cubes float? It may seem normal, but in reality, it's quite unusual. Most substances become denser when they turn from liquid to solid. So why does ice behave differently? The answer lies in the unique structure of water molecules. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, forming a molecule with special properties. When water cools down and reaches 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit, it becomes denser, just like most substances. But something strange happens when it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. As water freezes, its molecules arrange themselves in a hexagonal structure. This arrangement creates more open space between molecules, making ice less dense than liquid water. And because density determines whether something sinks or floats, ice, being less dense, stays on top. This might seem like a small detail, but it plays a crucial role in nature. Imagine if ice were denser than water. Lakes and oceans would freeze from the bottom up, killing aquatic life. Instead, ice forms a protective layer on top, insulating the water below and allowing fish and other creatures to survive even in freezing temperatures. But have you ever wondered why ice cubes float in your drink, or why frozen rivers don't sink? The reason is the same scientific principle. Ice floating is nature's way of protecting water bodies and maintaining balance in the ecosystem. Even polar bears depend on floating ice for survival in the Arctic. The reason behind ice's ability to float comes down to hydrogen bonding. As water cools, hydrogen bonds between molecules push them slightly apart, forming a crystalline structure. This results in a decrease in density, making ice about 9% less dense than liquid water. This difference is what keeps it afloat. Now, imagine a world where ice sank instead of floating. It would completely disrupt marine ecosystems, making life in lakes and oceans nearly impossible. Winters would be much harsher, and global temperatures could drastically change. Ice floating isn't just a simple property, it's essential for our planet's stability. So the next time you see ice floating in your glass, remember, it's not just a simple trick of nature, but a fascinating scientific phenomenon that helps support life on Earth. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts.